problem, Flo?
That's nothing. Check out my belly buster.
Wow, that was great, Zoe.
What are you gonna do, Clifford?
Well, I don't know. I was just gonna sit down and...
Cool. What do you call that, Clifford?
Well, a mistake.